In this tutorial, you will learn to operate SureForce on the InCommand Go display. To begin, you will need to have a SureDrive or SureSpeed with SureForce configuration loaded to the mapping screen of the InCommand Go display. Follow these steps before beginning a planting operation. Tap Settings in the upper left. Choose Settings. Choose Configuration Settings. Tap Downforce to enter the Downforce settings screen. Within the General tab, we can change the downforce mode between Monitor Only and Control. Monitor Only will just monitor and record the gauge wheel load readings. In Control mode, the system will make real-time downforce and uplift adjustments according to the gauge wheel load readings. The next step is to do the hydraulic bleed process. Refer to the planter frame fold installation instructions located on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase for specific instructions regarding the hydraulic bleed process. The final step is to specify the gauge wheel sensor being used. Tap the Advanced tab. Choose All Rows. Tap Load Pin Linkage. Tap the Load Pin Type dropdown. Since we are on a Kinsey planter, select Kinsey from the dropdown. From the Linkage Type dropdown, select the appropriate linkage type. Tap the green check. Swipe to the left on the table to show the selected type for each row. Linkage types can be changed for each row independently. This is helpful for rows that have a different parallel linkage length, for example, around transport wheels. Tap the green check 3 times to return to the mapping screen. Now you are ready to begin your planting operation. While planting, you will want to monitor downforce trends. Select the Downforce tab. Within the Downforce tab, you may switch between automatic and manual downforce. You can also make adjustments to the applied downforce by dragging the slider up or down. Select the wrench to enter the planter options window. Here, you may monitor downforce trends on a row-by-row basis. Choose the green check to return to the mapping screen. Downforce trends can also be monitored in the Advanced Seed Tube Monitoring tile. Select Downforce Trends to view a bar graph of downforce performance. The weight indicates a high amount of applied force. The feather indicates a low amount of downforce or even uplift being applied. The last item to monitor on the mapping screen is the downforce status indicator. The icon will indicate whether the hydraulic downforce system is active, inactive, on manual, or on manual hold. Now, you will be able to operate SureForce on the InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.